After years of diligent saving, we finally reached a point where we can replace our decrepit retaining wall. It has deteriorated so badly that it's literally falling apart, with soil spilling out from underneath, leaving me constantly sweeping up the mess. Unfortunately, this means my lean-to-shade house and the temporary fence have to go as well. The young crew has started the demolition, and they are finding it surprisingly easy to remove the rotten wooden retaining wall. Many of the posts are also decayed. It's a wonder I didn't injure myself when I used to sit on that wall. Given that the wall is 36 years old, it's clear that it wouldn't have lasted much longer. A concrete retaining wall will definitely be a more durable investment. There were only a few posts that weren't completely rotten and required a bit of extra effort to remove. The final post proved to be the most stubborn, but the team handled it with ease, showcasing their strength and expertise. Here, we can see the soil struggling to stay in place now that the old retaining wall has been removed. Let's take a moment to capture what the space looks like before the new retaining wall is installed. The crew has done an excellent job of cutting out steps where there were none before, making it much easier to access the area. The new metal posts for the retaining wall have been installed, and they will be cemented in tomorrow. These guys are incredibly thorough and meticulous in their work. They ensure that each post is perfectly upright, not just relying on their eyes, but using proper tools. They place the cement first, position the posts, and then add more cement around them, making sure everything is level and at the correct height. They even use a plumb line, initially set with a laser beam, to ensure a straight wall. Since it's a relatively small job, they mix the cement by hand, just like my father used to do. The right blend of water, sand, and cement is mixed in the wheelbarrow and brought to the site. It brings back fond memories and demonstrates their skill and attention to detail. Goodman Fencing specializes in all kinds of fencing and retaining walls. You can reach Matt at 0438418773 for quality work if you're in North Brisbane. The first row of cement sleepers has been laid down. They are now starting to construct the walls of the steps. 3 rows of cement sleepers have been successfully installed in the retaining wall. Today is the final day, and they are focusing on the cement steps. They are taking great care to avoid air bubbles in the cement and ensure a smooth finish that will allow water to run off without creating slippery spots. The steps look fantastic now that they are completed. The Goodman crew has done an excellent job, and I highly recommend them for any retaining wall or fencing projects in North Brisbane. They left the site clean and tidy, removing all excess cement and dirt. In part 2, a different contractor has started working on the concrete. Today, he removed the old cement between the drain and the retaining wall. He is now organizing the new drain and laying the pipes so they will be hidden from view. Sand is placed over the pipes to allow them to expand and contract with temperature changes without breaking. It also cushions the plastic pipes from the cement that will be poured on top. Lastly, the cement is poured over the sand and pipes, completing the job.